Well, hi everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful and a blessed day today, whatever time of the day you guys are watching. So for today's video, I will be decorating my living room for spring. It definitely needs a spring refresh. I still have my winter decor, so it still feels kind of like heavy in here. So I just want to brighten it up, lighten up my living room. And I will be decorating my living room with thrift finds mixed in with some new finds. I enjoy mixing new and old together. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that I enjoy the thrill of the hunt, finding pieces that just add character, speak to me. I hope that this video gives you guys inspiration for your home, ideas. Not telling you guys how to decorate, but just an inspiration for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Grab a cup of coffee, a tea, whatever it is, and let's get started. As mentioned earlier, as you can see, I still have my winter decor up, but before I start decorating, I'm going to clear everything out and give this space a good reset. I actually love using seasonal decorating as a chance to clean and just start fresh. I also like to give my walls a quick wipe. It's such a simple way just to stay on top of clean walls. Now that everything is cleared out, I like to start fresh and really think about how I want this space to feel. So for this spring, I'm leaning into soft neutrals, texture, white florals, woven baskets, touches of greenery, and a mix of old and new pieces that I've collected so far. I do like to pull everything out first just to see what I'm working with, and then I just pick and choose and start from there. I always love incorporating pieces that bring peace into my home, and this image of Jesus with the sheep just brings such calm and comforting feeling to this space. And I also wanted to bring in a little warmth here, so adding a soft light just makes everything feel a lot more cozy. And I'll have everything I use linked down below in this video in case anybody is interested. I found this little plate while thrifting last year, and it's one of those pieces that just feels perfect for spring. I just love the soft colors and just the delicate details in it, and it's just a perfect way to add that vintage touch. Alright, so when I thrift, I honestly enjoy finding simple pieces while thrifting that I can bring together into one look. Sometimes it's not about how they look in the moment, but what they can become in the future. And I actually did DIY this little pot. I do have a short in some of my older short videos that I actually aged myself for that soft vintage feel. Last week I came across these and I instantly knew they'd be perfect for spring. They were 25% off, which was a plus, but I tried to keep a mental note of colors and textures that I'm looking for, and this green was exactly what I had in mind. Okay, you guys, this one might be my favorite find yet for spring, summer, or whenever. It has the prettiest detail and it adds such a soft and, cozy touch with a little bit of greenery on it. And pieces like this are why I love thrifting. I usually try to keep in mind not to skip the frame aisle. You can always swap out the art, or vice versa. You can find some beautiful art prints as well. I have come across some beautiful art frames as well as just frames alone, and I'll usually just print out one. And for this case, I ended up buying this print from Amazon, which I thought would be perfect for this space. I also found this planter at an estate sale a while back, and although I love this piece, just not the red flowers at the moment, so I ended up swapping them out, but I ended up keeping the flowers just to reuse at a later season. Next, I wanted to bring a little warmth to the fireplace area, and baskets are a must in my home. I'm always keeping an eye out for a good size one, and I just feel that baskets are just useful for so many things. And this one was actually in my china cabinet area, and so I ended up switching it over here, and I knew that these flowers were the perfect touch to finish the look. I'm always on the lookout for pots too, and I was between these two styles, but I ended up going with this beaded ceramic one, and I just ended up styling it with some greenery. And I know that Easter just passed, but little pieces like this always feel like spring to me. Alright, so a little DIY moment. I had these cute prints saved along with these little frames that I found at Target. They were in the $5 section. I found these about a month ago. I'm not sure if they're still there, but I wasn't a big fan of the gold. It just felt too plastic to me, so I ended up using rub and buff just to give them more of an antique look, but I thought that the size of the frames were adorable. You can also find some really beautiful candle holders at thrift stores. Not only do they add height, but they just add a perfect touch to the rest of your decor. Here's a little glimpse of my living room. This home originally came with shutters, but I am thinking of switching it to curtains sometime in the future and maybe adding a gallery wall in between the blank wall spaces. But this is what I'm currently working with. I'd eventually love to switch up the sofa to something lighter and maybe add a coffee table. But for now, I'm keeping things light, airy, and simple and working with what we have. And to lighten or balance out the dark sofa, I added these lighter tone pillows, which I thought were the perfect touch of spring. And And you wouldn't believe I actually ended up thrifting this throw blanket for a little less than $6, which I thought it was a great deal. You know, if you go at a regular department store, Target or any store like that, it is much more pricier. But this was such an easy way to just lighten up the space, and I can use this throw blanket through the seasons. And this was just me testing things out. For this empty space, I added pillows here, and I think they just added that touch of coziness to this corner. And this is how it all came together. Still a work in progress, but I love how it turned out. It just feels lighter and brighter in this space. But if you enjoy cozy home decor, DIYs, mixing thrifted and everyday pieces, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I wish you guys a blessed rest of your week.